Check out this 2007 Jeep Liberty. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle. With a solid 6-cylinder engine, the powertrain includes 4-wheel drive that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes.
And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride.
Power door locks, power windows, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, a satellite radio, power mirrors, an alarm system, power steering. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included: front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag, traction control, stability control, independent suspension. Call today to schedule a test drive.